You ever see some stuff in the movies and wish they were real? Some of them are. Yeah, these gadgets are simple in tech, and guess what? You can get your hands on them online. Want to know them? Let's go! So, starting from number 1, the BOOX Tab Ultra ePaper Tablet PC. This is the next generation of thin tablets. The Onyx BOOX Tab Ultra is a new breed of e-ink tablet that differs from the rest of their product range of specialized e-readers and e-notes. Onyx has created new speed options known as BOOX Super Refresh technology, which basically gives this e-paper tablet more responsive than any other e-paper tablet on the market. The improved camera system with OCR technology and a dedicated GPU to handle games and other multimedia material is one of Ultra's main selling factors. The operating system is Android 11, and it has full access to the Google Play Store. It costs $599 and is available through the Good e-Reader store. Number 2. CANDLELIGHT AROMA Diffuser. Simply put, CANDLELIGHT AROMA diffusers emit essential oils into the air. This means you can inhale the advantages and absorb them into your body, which not only aid in relaxation but also does wonders for your senses. For example, if you want to unwind after a long day at work, it might make all the difference. There are several applications for essential oils as a natural answer to a better life. Those who have trouble sleeping should try lavender, cedarwood, or frankincense. Aside from the fragrance, utilizing a diffuser with water creates a temporary humidifier, which works wonders for folks with dry airways.
Wondering if thousands of miles away, the sky's just as blue.
Number 3. Nimble Wireless Travel Kit. Nimble's accessory portfolio remains minimal, centering on a collection of 8 wireless chargers and portable chargers. It's evident that quality over quantity is a priority at Nimble. Nimble sells 4 portable chargers, 4 wireless chargers, and 3 accessories, and certain design aspects appear across the product range. Nimble labels the portable chargers by calculating how much battery life they will provide. Each of them come with a magnetic cable connection and a USB-A to USB-C cable, and the 10-day portable charger includes an AC converter brick. Number 4. ZHIYUN Smooth 5S Gimbal Stabilizer. Ever felt that your videos need a bit more smoothness? Of course you do. The ZHIYUN Smooth 5S helps you film at low and super wide angles. Well, it's all thanks to its professional construction of 3 orthogonal pivot axes that give you more choices with more vision and a larger space between each axis. The Smooth 5S provides excellent anti-shake footage, preserving the shoot's original quality. And with this, you can even use bigger smartphones. And the broader phone clamp allows for external lens alternatives. I mean, next time you do a TikTok, this is going to make it stand out. Number 5. DOROBEEN Cordless Air Duster. This is a must-need item if you have dusty laptops. This is where air dusters come in. They are the ideal instrument for cleaning dust from any surface, particularly electronics. The DOROBEEN Compressed Air Duster is one of the best cordless air dusters on the market. Number 6. The Brow Sun Visor. Alright now, this thing is going to get some frown faces. You see, the sun might be good for your health. Sunlight causes our bodies to produce melatonin, which is necessary for proper brain function. However, we must be mindful that excessive sunshine on our skin and in our eyes might have negative effects. Well, the Brow provides vital and handy shade for your eyes. The only thing that seems shady with these glasses is their design. Trust me, doesn't that look weird though? Number 7. GAMESIR X2 Pro Mobile Game Controller. Are you in search of a great controller? Do you want the same feel of a console on your Android? And here's the GAMESIR X2 Pro Mobile Game Controller. This is an authentic Xbox licensed controller for Android phones that allows you to play Game Pass games. It's also compatible with a wide range of other popular cloud services. It's ergonomic, comes with several thumbstick caps, and has 2 program back buttons. Great, huh? Number 8. SONY LINKBUDS S Noise Cancelling Earbuds. The SONY LINKBUDS S is the successor of a problematic yet unusual pair of genuine wireless earphones. It's more dependable, but also less unique. This is a good set of noise-canceling earbuds, but it doesn't cover the same ground as the original LINKBUDS. The Sony LINKBUDS made a great impression earlier this year with their unusual ring-shaped design that allows you to stay in touch with your surroundings without relying on a transparent mode. But there's a new LINKBUD in town, and it's following suit by abandoning everything. For better or worse, the Sony LINKBUDS S is a standard set of wireless earbuds. Want to try these out? Number 9. Long Distance Friendship Lamp. Long-distance friendship lights are a fantastic way to literally brighten up the lives of loved ones. These devices, also known as touch lights, are ideal for anyone who is separated by a long distance, such as partners, closest friends, and families. Being apart from someone you care about may be agonizing. You want to feel as close as possible, but the distance has different plans. Confused? Friendship lights are 2 or more lamps that can communicate with one another via an internet connection. When they are able to converse, tapping one of the bulbs will turn on the other. This is a wonderful yet discreet approach to letting your lover know you're thinking about them. Isn't it cool? Number 10. Meter Plus Meat Thermometer. The Meter Plus is an excellent choice for a dependable and consistent wireless meat thermometer setup. The Meter Plus is an excellent wireless meat thermometer alternative for anybody who enjoys smoking meats or grilling out and wants to keep an eye on their cooking process without having to deal with a tangle of cables or a complicated setup. This thermometer clearly has room for improvement. Nonetheless, with its exceptional wireless range, long battery life, and easy charging, the Meter Plus makes a significant advancement in wireless meat thermometer technology. Now, does that sound delicious? Number 11. SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Keyboard. The SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless is an excellent gaming keyboard. The most notable feature is the changeable pre-travel distance, which may be set per key within a large range. Aside from that, this is a well-made machine with an incredibly low latency that is suitable for any game genre. It also comes with simple companion software that allows you to assign macros or dual gaming inputs to any key. Now, what are you thinking? Is this better than the keyboard that I have now? Number 12. Angry Meow Anime-Inspired Keyboard. Angry Meow's new anime-inspired keyboard with user-adjustable stiffness is designed by sickos for sickos, and it'll instantly make you want to dig out your master-grade Gundam model kits from the early aughts and start painting. Featuring a newer ergonomic design with contoured keys, a gap in the middle, and a split spacebar. It's also another outlandish science fiction-inspired design, this time inspired by Macross transforming VF-19 advanced fighter jet. Something fancy, huh? Number 13. AIR.O, the foldable Bluetooth computer mouse. Now, this is something that you might have never seen before. This is a stylish, origami-like accessory that's just 4.5 millimeters flat when unfolded. The AIR.O mouse is intended to be an excellent travel companion, transforming fast from an unfurled flat state to a sated, ergonomically pleasant mouse that fits the size of your hand. It does this by magnetically snapping together in less than 0.5 seconds. Number 14. WUBEN X2 EDC Flashlight. This flashlight might be small, but not weak. X2 features a unique design that differs from ordinary flashlights. With its distinctiveness, functionality, and durability, it is without a doubt the greatest EDC flashlight, with the most use in the smallest size. Number 15. HOLLYLAND LARK M1 Wireless Microphone. The HOLLYLAND LARK M1s are an ideal starting point since they are simple to set up and use. Look no further than the HOLLYLAND LARK M1 for a small and simple wireless microphone option. The Duo kit includes 2 microphones and a receiver, with a setup that is as simple as it gets. Small, effective, and minimal, all at the same time. Number 16. EBODA Bluetooth Shower Speaker. What characteristics distinguish the best waterproof speaker? First and foremost, the finest waterproof outdoor speaker should provide high-quality audio. If you're searching for a speaker to play music at open-air gatherings, you'll want enough bass performance to keep the party going. Well, the EBODA Bluetooth Shower Speaker does all of it. Number 17. CHOVERY Window Cleaner Robot. If you are seeking aid to clean your home's windows, the CHOVERY CL1 window cleaning robot is a good purchase. When working outside, the body appears to be sturdy and able to withstand the elements. Soft cloths, on the other hand, are created with a soft substance that cleans without damaging surfaces. Number 18. FERROFLUID Speaker Music Companion. This will be the best thing on today's episode. Why? Well, this is the speaker who visualizes music with a ferrofluid, a liquid filled with tiny magnetic particles. The ferrofluid is a vicious black blob, reacts to an electromagnetic device, and dances around in sync with the sound being played. See that? That's definitely going to attract some jealousy. Now, in today's episode, we went through some of the top 18 coolest gadgets that you can get online. What do you guys think about it? Well, these might be simple in tech, but they definitely stand out among your accessories, don't they? Do comment below on what you guys think about it. Anyway, we shall meet in another episode. Until then, see ya.